How can I dismiss all Chrome notifications with a keyboard shortcut? Does Chrome have a keyboard shortcut or the ability to bind one that lets me dismiss notifications?
Currently, there is no keyboard shortcut or ability to create one to dismiss notifications in Chrome. If you don't want it at all, you can disable completely it in Settings, Content Settings, Notifications.
You can hit Alt plus Shift plus N to show your notifications dashboard, then hit ESC in quick succession to dismiss all of your notifications quickly.
(2021) answer: Yes. Shift plus Alt plus N equals Show Notifications. Shift plus Tab equals Select Clear All button. Enter / spacebar equals Clear All. ESC equals Close Notifications.
The other answers here didn't work for me on Windows 10 Chrome 116.0.5845.111. My solution is to tap Windows key, type Notifications to go to the Notifications and Action Settings result, then down in the list of enabled applications turn Chrome off then on again. This seems to clear all the cards they have queued up.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.